How do Netflix or Amazon handle millions of users at once without crashing? Think about this. You're at a coffee shop watching your favorite show online, not knowing there's a fantastic system working behind the scenes. Meet NGINX Reverse Proxy, the traffic manager that's changed how modern websites work. Think of NGINX as a smart traffic cop at a busy intersection. When someone tries to access a website, NGINX handles the request using an event-driven asynchronous architecture. Instead of creating new threads for each user request, NGINX uses worker processes to direct traffic through its event loop. Each worker can handle thousands of concurrent connections without thread context switching. This is why Cloudflare, handling over 25 million HTTP requests per second, relies heavily on NGINX for its edge servers. Even gaming giant Roblox uses NGINX to manage its 200+ million monthly active users across global data centers. What makes NGINX so good at its job is its granular configuration directives. Websites owners can implement upstream load balancing with algorithms like least connection, IP hash, or weighted round robin. Take Shopify, for instance. During Black Friday sales, they use NGINX's intelligent load balancing to handle 40,000 orders per minute across their merchant stores. GitHub employs NGINX's health checks and passive TCP probes to ensure 99.99% uptime for their 100 million plus repositories. If one server fails its health check, NGINX automatically removes it from the upstream pool until it recovers. Dropbox even customized NGINX to handle their unique file serving needs, managing exabytes of data across millions of users. But NGINX's real magic is in its request response modification capabilities. It can handle SSL termination, A/B testing via split clients, and response buffering. LinkedIn uses NGINX to perform A/B testing across their 774+ million users, dynamically serving different versions of features to test user engagement. Zoom relies on NGINX's WebSocket proxying to manage millions of real-time video connections with sophisticated rate limiting to prevent service abuse. In the gaming world, Epic Games uses NGINX's response buffering and caching to deliver Fortnite updates to over 350 million players simultaneously. NGINX really shines in microservices architectures. Take Docker's registry as an example. NGINX handles JWT authentication, implements regex-based location blocks for routing, uses proxy cache for blob storage, and maintains persistent upstream connections, all while keeping sub-millisecond latency. Uber employs this approach across their microservices architecture, processing 100+ million requests daily through NGINX proxies. Airbnb uses NGINX as their API gateway, handling complex routing logic across thousands of microservices while maintaining consistent authentication and rate limiting. This means companies can use one NGINX instance instead of multiple specialized services, reducing infrastructure complexity. Looking ahead, NGINX keeps getting better with features like dynamic modules, NGS scripting, and OpenTelemetry integration. Pinterest already uses NGINX's dynamic modules to handle image optimization for their 450 million plus monthly active users. Spotify leverages NGINX's observability features to monitor their streaming infrastructures, serving 456 million active users. But here's a bigger question. As more companies move towards edge computing and serverless architectures, how will reverse proxy patterns evolve? Microsoft's Azure already uses NGINX in their application gateway for sophisticated Layer 7 routing. Will NGINX's configuration management adapt to handle service mesh topologies and zero-trust security models like those implemented by Google Cloud? The future holds many possibilities, and we're excited to see what comes next. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, comment down below if you have insights to share.